So, this is how you do an oil change on a clapped out G37. You just take off one of those and leave one on and just fully unbolt it whenever you want to do an oil change. It's not the most ideal, but it works. Should have a little helper. Cupcake, you gonna help me do the oil change? Cupcake.
You know she can't hear?
Yeah, she's deaf. There goes my dog. Bear. Bear!
Where's she going?
Oh, there he is. Psychopath. Bear! Wow, on the back porch. Okay. It's not where I needed you, but alright. Need a cupcake. So yeah, I got the Beast lift from Atco. Just so I have a lift to the house. I need tires. Y'all see these tires? Shit. I'll give y'all a little G update. God. But I got everything to fix it. I got the bumper, hood, everything. I just need that bad boy, that. I got both the hood support thingies, all that. I need this. Pretty much need a new hood assembly. I need the cord.
Okay.
And then I'm good to go. But
What did I say? She walks away.
okay, she can walk away. It's fine.
She's blind and deaf.
I got to clean.
Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
there's a good bit I need to get done, but I need to wash it. But yeah, that's a little G update for y'all. Motherfucker's dirty. It's my security dog. Really, it's just a fucking crybaby. So yeah, now I gotta do the rest of the oil change, so I'll catch up with you. So I'm looking, my oil pan's straight, but there's a expansion type thing that you put around that Z1 sells. I got a bullshit filter, but my exhaust is no more. I need new exhaust. This thing is fucking destroyed and scraped and broken, and yeah, need a new one. Bad, very bad. But I'm looking at new exhaust, new test pipes, new all that, a couple other things, because I already got everything except the hood assembly, and then I'll be good to go on that part, and then I'll start doing G stuff. I need tires too, very bad. If anybody has tire recommendations, let me know, because I need some. Hi, Cupcake. So, I finally got the filter off, got it replaced. I don't have a band wrench, so I had to burn the fuck out of myself to get that one on. Got it drained.
You cussed.
Huh?
You cussed.
Yeah, I did cuss. Mobil 1, high mileage. You already know we're over 100K. So, got to put all the oil in, and then we're good to go. Yeah. So, just finished the oil change, reset everything. We're good to go, boys. Probably about to go get her food. No, but I gotta redo all that. But we're done. Oil change is done and we're good to go, boys. Let's go ahead and... Dude, that motherfucker's on there. Whoop. More sticker space.